What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your headlights on a Honda HR-V. It's probably the same from about the 2016 to about the 2022. It's pretty simple. All you do is pretty much pop your hood. You'll come right here. As you can see right here what I'm doing. You just kind of want to pop down the power harness, which will come out just like that pretty much. And then all you got to do basically is spin your bulb. Hold up. Spin your bulb and it'll come out just like that. If you want to see exactly what bulb you have, or if you can get that pretty good, that's your bulb that you're going to need. Also, whenever you're doing this, you should use some gloves, because you don't want to get grease on your light bulb, because it can make the life of the bulb go out quicker. Once you got your new bulb, all you want to do, if you look down there, you'll see like some little slots. Just line it up just like that. Once you got it lined up, all right, yeah, so you just turn it back in. You want to take your power harness and just plug it right up to the bottom. You'll hear a little click, and pretty much you'll be good. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.